Welcome to this transformative journey where we explore the art of giving compliments that resonate deeply with women, all through the lens of Stoic philosophy. In this video, we'll uncover the top 6 forbidden compliments that have the power to make women truly admire and respect you. These compliments are not your typical flattery. They are rooted in authenticity, emotional intelligence, and the timeless principles of Stoicism. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, teaches us the importance of self-control, virtue, and wisdom. By applying these principles, we can craft compliments that are not only genuine, but also impactful. These compliments go beyond surface-level attraction. They touch the core of a woman's being, making her feel valued, understood, and appreciated. In this script, we'll delve into each of the 7 compliments, explaining why they work, how to deliver them effectively, and the Stoic principles behind them. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful toolkit to enhance your relationships and connect with women on a deeper level. Chapter 1. The Compliment of Presence. Your energy is captivating. The first forbidden compliment is about acknowledging a woman's presence. Instead of focusing on her physical appearance, you compliment her energy. This approach aligns with Stoic principles, which emphasize the importance of inner virtue over external beauty. When you tell a woman your energy is captivating, you're recognizing her essence, her aura, and the way she makes you feel when you're around her. This compliment is powerful because it shifts the focus from superficial attributes to something more profound and intangible. In Stoicism, the concept of presence is highly valued. The Stoics believed that being fully present in the moment is a form of wisdom. By complimenting a woman's energy, you're showing that you're attuned to the present moment and that you appreciate her for who she truly is, not just for how she looks. To deliver this compliment effectively, you need to be genuine. Observe how she carries herself, how she interacts with others, and how she makes you feel. When the moment feels right, look her in the eye and say, "Your energy is captivating." The sincerity in your voice and the depth of your observation will make this compliment unforgettable. Chapter 2. The Compliment of Intelligence. Your mind is fascinating. The second forbidden compliment is about recognizing a woman's intelligence. In a world where women are often praised for their looks, acknowledging their intellect can be incredibly refreshing and empowering. When you tell a woman, "Your mind is fascinating," you're complimenting her thoughts, ideas, and the way she sees the world. This compliment is rooted in Stoic philosophy, which values wisdom and rational thinking above all else. The Stoics believed that the mind is the most important aspect of a person. By complimenting a woman's mind, you're showing that you value her intellect and that you're interested in engaging with her on a deeper level. This kind of compliment can spark meaningful conversations and create a strong intellectual connection. To deliver this compliment effectively, pay attention to her opinions, her insights, and the way she approaches problems. When she shares something that impresses you, take a moment to reflect on it and then say, "Your mind is fascinating." This will not only make her feel appreciated, but also encourage her to share more of her thoughts with you. Chapter 3. The Compliment of Strength. Your resilience is inspiring. The third forbidden compliment is about acknowledging a woman's strength and resilience. Women often face challenges and obstacles that require immense courage and determination. By recognizing her strength, you're showing that you see her as a powerful and capable individual. When you tell a woman your resilience is inspiring, you're complimenting her ability to overcome adversity and keep moving forward. This compliment is deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy, which teaches us to embrace challenges and grow stronger through them. The Stoics believed that adversity is an opportunity for growth. By complimenting a woman's resilience, you're acknowledging her ability to turn challenges into opportunities and to emerge stronger from difficult situations. This kind of compliment can make her feel seen and appreciated for her inner strength. To deliver this compliment effectively, observe how she handles challenges and setbacks. When you notice her demonstrating resilience, take a moment to acknowledge it and say, "Your resilience is inspiring." This will not only make her feel valued, but also reinforce her belief in her own strength. Chapter 4. The Compliment of Kindness. Your compassion is heartwarming. The fourth forbidden compliment is about recognizing a woman's kindness and compassion. In a world that can often be harsh and unforgiving, kindness is a rare and precious quality. By acknowledging her compassion, you're showing that you value her ability to care for others. When you tell a woman your compassion is heartwarming, you're complimenting her ability to empathize with others and to act with kindness and generosity. This compliment is aligned with Stoic philosophy, which emphasizes the importance of virtue and moral excellence. The Stoics believed that kindness and compassion are essential virtues. By complimenting a woman's compassion, you're showing that you appreciate her moral character and that you see her as a person of integrity. This kind of compliment can deepen your connection and create a sense of mutual respect. To deliver this compliment effectively, observe how she treats others, especially in difficult situations. When you notice her acting with kindness and compassion, take a moment to acknowledge it and say, "Your compassion is heartwarming." This will not only make her feel appreciated, but also encourage her to continue acting with kindness. Chapter 5. The Compliment of Authenticity. Your authenticity is refreshing. The fifth forbidden compliment is about recognizing a woman's authenticity. In a world where people often wear masks and hide their true selves, authenticity is a rare and valuable quality. By acknowledging her authenticity, you're showing that you appreciate her for who she truly is. When you tell a woman your authenticity is refreshing, you're complimenting her ability to be genuine and true to herself. This compliment is deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy, which values honesty and self-awareness. The Stoics believed that living in alignment with one's true self is the key to a fulfilling life. By complimenting a woman's authenticity, you're showing that you value her honesty and that you see her as a person of integrity. This kind of compliment can create a deep sense of connection and trust. To deliver this compliment effectively, observe how she presents herself and how she interacts with others. When you notice her being genuine and true to herself, take a moment to acknowledge it and say, "Your authenticity is refreshing." This will not only make her feel appreciated, but also encourage her to continue being true to herself. Chapter 6. The Compliment of Passion. Your passion is contagious. The sixth forbidden compliment is about recognizing a woman's passion. Passion is a powerful force that drives people to pursue their dreams and live life to the fullest. By acknowledging her passion, you're showing that you admire her enthusiasm and zest for life. When you tell a woman, "Your passion is contagious," you're complimenting her ability to inspire and motivate others with her enthusiasm. This compliment is aligned with Stoic philosophy, which encourages us to live with purpose and passion. The Stoics believed that passion, when directed towards virtuous goals, is a powerful force for good. By complimenting a woman's passion, you're showing that you appreciate her drive and that you see her as a person who lives with purpose. This kind of compliment can create a sense of mutual inspiration and motivation. To deliver this compliment effectively, observe what she's passionate about and how she pursues her interests. When you notice her enthusiasm and drive, take a moment to acknowledge it and say, "Your passion is contagious." This will not only make her feel appreciated, but also encourage her to continue pursuing her passions. Conclusion: the power of Stoic compliments. In this video, we've explored the top 6 forbidden compliments that have the power to make women truly admire and respect you. These compliments are not just words, they are rooted in the timeless principles of Stoic philosophy, which emphasize authenticity, emotional intelligence, and inner virtue. By applying these principles, you can craft compliments that go beyond surface-level attraction and touch the core of a woman's being. These compliments will make her feel valued, understood, and appreciated, and they will deepen your connection with her. Remember, the key to delivering these compliments effectively is to be genuine and observant. Pay attention to her energy, her mind, her strength, her kindness, her authenticity, her passion, and her independence. When you notice these qualities, take a moment to acknowledge them and deliver your compliment with sincerity. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and growth. I hope you found this video insightful and that it inspires you to approach your relationships with a new perspective. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.